See them people, Newland Road, jump the right on the corner around there, sir. Jaja.
Yeah, my peeps, you know over there. Up and running in the morning, I see what go on in the community. And you don't know this is in front of the Cumberland High School. It's impossible, and for pass so it's impossible.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah man, you don't know this is Nigel Yaman TV, big up on yourself. You don't know so we're out here. I do some video after the storm. We do some before the storm. So we're here to come back and check up on some people.
Show me peeps.
Yeah, that's it. I have some special Sunday keep. I have a spot on
Yeah.
Sunday.
That's how the spot for a Sunday.
Yeah man.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
so we get nice steam fish, man, fried fish and festival and everything right just for the ground.
Yeah.
You see me? So we there same way our ground is, so we forward for our beach, our ground is, I just our chill.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Yeah, we just take it easy. We just take it easy. TLS it, TV. Yeah, I chew my play and I'm simple. And I take it easy. About the marijuana, keep me eyes and bleedy. I will never let the blind them lead me. And if you want me, come up Portmore, come see we are simple. Rascal, I take it easy. Bona Charlie School, keep him eyes and bleedy. Yeah, yeah. I tell her I see TV. Come on, pull it.
Yeah, my peeps, check in, you don't know I go. Yeah, man.
Sling
Yeah,
them,
my peeps.
sling them.
Yeah, my peeps, so right now. Storm yesterday, you know, you see me? Yesterday Tuesday, so in the early morning, my peeps, we are going to make some circle and we're going to see what I go on in the place, see me? Yeah, man, you saw Portmore, see me, Cumberland, so you don't know, we are going to just go around the place and make them see what I go on, you see? Yeah, man, so just stay tuned and watch what I go on. Here, we are going to make them see what I go on in a Portmore. Yeah, man, for our side, you see? Yeah, man, that is it. Cumberland, West Cumberland, Gully taking a whole heap of water, my people, watch that. Overflow still in the bud. Water in there, you see me? Yeah, man. On Newland Road, you know, and watch ya. Light post turn over at night. You know the road, you see me? Right now, see there? No truck can pass, I just small vehicle alone can pass on people. You see me? See? Yeah man, that is it man, Newland Road, this in a Portmore City. Yeah. See there? Place tumble on my people. See me, Newland Road. Just be another place, look.
Yeah, devastated.
Channel Star. Wicked, yo.
Wicked.
Wicked, my people.
First driver drive.
Yeah, man, the first.
And that's where we encounter.
Yeah, man.
Light post down from Newland Road near the
Watch
medical
this.
center. Right at Cumberland Medical, light post gone.
That wait name me now, take no check at all.
Out again.
Really getting a whole heap of earth still alive. A whole heap of damage like certain places, you know?
But yeah.
But we get a smaller. We get a few damage to see, you know? Not a lot.
River, yeah.
Yeah, man, so yeah. A river you will pass yesterday, my people. See that?
Yeah. I'm going to put that train in just in there.
Hey, me, brother, if I do it, I'm going to say, brother, all the wood there, so I'm going to flood out. Remember me tell you. People up on the road like trouble. Yeah, come on, there's some people. Over here, sir, Cumberland, what? Yes, sir. Bomba, speak, could they? See, a 2 tree, I want Guinea tree down, just a blow down. Could they? Yeah, man. So Cumberland, my people. The gully there. Yeah, man. Light post turn over the side of the road down with some peeps. Right in front of Cumberland High School.
Yeah, man, I want to talk about over there represent Hellshire TV, and we're outside after Melissa mash up the whole place. So we're in Portmore right now checking the street. Yeah, my peeps, you know over there up and running in the morning. I see what go on in the community. And you don't know this is in front of the Cumberland High School. Yeah, the road there impossible. You see me I say? It's impossible, and for pass so it's impossible.
Yeah, yeah. Watch out, my people. Light post turn over in the road. Boom, boom, put it.
Yeah, man, step over and put him on the light there.
No, man, they're mad. I don't trust them in my ear.
Alright, them, brother.
Still not trust them, my brother.
Yeah, step over. I want the pass
Yeah, my peeps, man. Now Portmore, right in front of Cumberland High School. See it here? Yeah, man.
Skip, up, skip. Light goes, come on, light go.
Broke out the ground.
Yeah, yeah, my peeps, you see what I go on?
Light post broke out of the ground, my peeps. See that?
A while before you get back with the light.
Yeah. Charger. I wonder when you'll get back this lighter, you know. Each of my people, light post turn over. Is it? Yeah, man, mosquito them out as early as the morning, not peeps. Yeah, man. Yeah, my people. Blessings. Yeah, my peeps, that's a Cumberland High School, you know. Yeah, man, Cumberland High School, watch out. Whole heap of damage going over here too, you know. Whole heap of little damage going over here to my peeps. You have all that tree drop down here, so. You see me? Watch out, my people. Tree a tear down, you know. And that's a Cumberland High School. See? Like man, and all them banana tree, my people. Banana tree right there, so. Color low. Yeah. Them no move. See it there? Yeah, man, all the banana tree, my people. See it there? Banana tree, them tear though.
Big tree up as I said, pop up.
Yeah, me see that big guango tree there, man. Breeze deal with it away. Yeah, man, my people, see it there? Yeah, my people. We're in a Cumberland High School same way, you know. So right now, just go and tour the place and make you see what I go on. See it there? Tree them tear down, my people. In the school. Yeah. And all that tree limb, yeah.
Go on with itself.
Yeah,
my peeps, you know, Cumberland High School. Now I work until maybe next week, Monday or so.
Yeah.
So we have a couple of days to clean up, you know?
Yeah.
Pack up all these limbs. You see me?
That is it, man. Watch out, my people.
Yeah.
Watch out, my people. See it there? People mosquito, they might mash me down. Imagine that later down in the overs. Cumberland High School, my people. See it there? Damage, you know? Already done. Yeah. I got circle around so I'm gonna see what I go on. Yeah, man. You have to make you see this, my people, man. Just in our community, you know, we don't even go too far. up on Newland Road a while ago. See it at Cumberland High School. All a big limb over there to tear off. You see me? Heavy breeze, you know, my people. A breeze there fast through, man. I'm not normal, man. No, lie. I'm not normal, my people. This is it. Yeah, man. So just stay tuned, my peeps, and watch how I go on. You see me? I'll make back a next circle again. You see me? Cause yo, the school compound big, you know. You see me? Just a little small pieces. We don't get so far, so I go circle around the other side of the school and make you see what I go on. Yeah, man. So just stay tuned, my people, and watch how I go on. You see me? Around here, some people around this side of the schoolyard. You see me? In a Cumberland High School. Yeah, around this. What do they call it now? That's a day end of the school. You know? Yeah, man. So just stay tuned and watch how I go on, my people. See there? Whole heap of damage going over here, sir, my people. The limb them tear down and sitting, you know. Like you breeze from Melissa, man. Yeah. The breeze from Melissa, my people. And not normal, one of the heaviest wind that me hear from a hurricane from me there. Yeah, man.
Yeah, see that picture, why I dropped down.
Yeah, why I dropped down all that stuff.
I'm not in life, you know, man. All of them why I dropped down there.
Real, man.
All of them.
All of the wire master. Yeah. One or three of people.
Yeah.
Tear down in a storm, you know, watch that. Yeah, man. Yeah.
School survived though. Yeah, that's inside my blood.
Yeah.
I was like, it's nice to meet you.
Yes, Dada, clean up, all boy. Clean up. Yeah, all boy. Clean up. Up. All boy.
Call stand close. What the food can go
You're good panasaya, man. You're good panasaya.
Yeah, I hear that food. You're good.
Big shop was the first now and so
Go treat that road there and go up.
Feel over there, sir.
So, by a primary
Football field, flood out.
road out.
Field come like a swampland, brother.
Yeah, man.
Go there. Heavy water tattoo, you know, man.
Hello? Miss White?
Heavy water.
Miss White?
Show my peeps.
You're not hearing me?
Sober primary over there, sir.
You're not hearing me? You okay after the stand?
See there over there, sir. People stay tuned and watch where I go and make some circle
big chuck
in a
away.
Portmore.
Look outside
See
and see a big chuck away that.
Yeah.
Augusta drive with this one. Got the youth from Harbour View. Richard on. Portmore, prettiest city. Big amusement park. When it's done, I just had the parents. Right. When it's done, yes, I'm going to have one thing up here. I'm going to have here. But it's more upgraded. Yeah. Portmore, big city.
Yeah, Portmore, man, look people.
Oh, it's not a bit of a different now, when it's done.
And the place stinks in that city. Over there, sir. Portmore Mall.
So you have to go and pull your left. Sign jack on your sign. Big old sign jack.
Big old sign over there, some people.
I want to tear them.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, shut yourself.
No. Watch out, my baby.
Big old sign, road dog.
Big old sign, road dog. Portmore Mall. Mega Mall.
Now we push over a wire, let's go up on it. Take your time, go
All the way a tear down.
Alright, road. So, Hellshire roadside. Wow. Wow, so I'm going for the beach. Down there, so get in.
This is the road, my paper.
Like
2023 now.
Yeah.
And them late. Get them the end of the year and them still run late again. And when it comes for the news. All I hear now, look. Beer house.
Watch your road, rider, watch your road. Up. I think that's how they look, so.
Water heavy. Yeah, water heavy around the mountain.
Just flood out, man.
Crocodile man, they look fine. What me now say? Well, for people now say, you say crocodile one, you know. When people are in power, when you have a fun run, so with the crocodile in the night. Now one time you see my map feet down,
Around the sun.
People still are repair TV.
Yes, sir. Hellshire beach, my people. Yeah, man, we are going to make us see what I go on by the beach. You see me?
Water, if you know water. No way there for water.
Whoa! You might have to build step.
Oh. True, step if you get built for water.
Put them on people.
Yeah, man, you catch up. You catch up?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Nobody can cross it.
Only the truck can cross it.
Nobody.
Beach from outside the car park.
Nobody can cross it. Nobody can cross
But
it.
car park.
Go straight, go straight, go straight. Alright, can I stop at the walk over?
Who there go? Where am I go?
Find beach from there, but we'll look for a man from the start.
Go on the center, man. Go on.
You've seen a Hellshire now. Yeah, my peeps, we're there Hellshire now. Yeah, man, we're there on the Hellshire beach, you see me? Yeah, man, see where? Great pool there. Big up yourself. Tata dust, and we have dust brain and stuff. Yeah, man. People, them are walk back them place, my peeps. One sort of sitting around over here, my people. You see me? Fuck you. Watch out, my peeps. It's time though. Everything fixed up already. Ja. Yeah. Watch out my people with that Hellshire. Stay tuned and watch what I go on. So show you what I go on my place. Morning.
What I do, sir?
Yeah.
I'm glad the school no blow away.
Yeah. True. Yeah, man. We outside like all the time, you know? Yeah, man. See where my peeps, so. Hellshire. Hellshire Beach. The light post are tear down my people.
That couple of years, about 3 years now.
What that say? Yeah. See it, yeah? Yeah, man, the Hellshire Beach is in my people. People them are clean up back, you know? Yeah, man. Over here, sir. Watch out, my peeps. All boat. They are dry land. Yeah, man. See it there? Stay tuned and watch out my people with a circle. We're up on the ground at Hellshire, you see it? Yeah, man. We're up on the ground in a Hellshire beach. On the Hellshire beach. See it? See how the place look, you know? Yeah, man, I want you people to see how the place look. You see me? Yeah, man, come here, my peeps. It's at the beach side. Beach side. See it?
Whole of the roof they gone.
Where?
See them in front of you.
How the hell this? So me no see this.
Yeah, man, it's all I roof.
People, watch here. Yeah, man, here. Hey, them strong still in my yard for the pan the name the same way, you know. Because remember, you know, bro, a seaside this, you know, bro, G. Breeze we are blowing the normal, I say, you know, brother. What them people? A normal breeze. And a normal breeze there, so man. And a normal breeze mash up a something piece. Rough breeze. Whole of beach mash up. Whole of Hellshire beach mash up, my people. Good. Whole of Hellshire beach mash up. Whole of the beach get junk. You know. Like all up here, so see there? Up here, so the beach there, you know. Up here, so the beach there yesterday. See there? Blessed my general. Big up. Show my peeps.
Yeah, that's it. I have some special Sunday keep. I have a spot on a Sunday.
That's the spot for a Sunday.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
So
man.
we get nice steam fish, man, fry fish and festival and everything. Right, that's why the grung.
Yeah.
You see me? So we there same way our grung is our forward for our beach. Our grung is I our chill.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
That is it, man. That is it, that does. Yeah, my people, so stay tuned and watch our ground, peeps. See me? See them, my people. Yeah, man, I'm up on the Hellshire side. See it? Big up yourself, you know, Cammy. Island, Dream Island. Big up on yourself, though. Yeah, man, Dream Island TV. Cameron Family TV. Big up on yourself. Big up my viewers and my subscribers, them. See them here. You see me? Yeah, man, you know what's going on, my people. We're there. You see me? Yeah, man, we're there up on the beach side. Portmore, Hellshire. See it? Yeah, man, so. Go outside. You see me? We are going to make you see what I go on the ground. You see me? So watch what I go on, people. Taylor Acid TV. Taylor Acid TV. You good? Alright. Yeah, my man, my peeps. Whole up here, so I see you bed. You see there? Yeah, man, whole up here, so I see you bed. Whole of your see bed. Yeah.
And if tomorrow after this again, more like that.
Yeah. Yeah, my people. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. That is it.
That is it. TV, see?
Yeah, man, we're there for it. Yeah.
Good. Right by the beach front, so eat yourself. Right here.
Yeah, man, we see it, man.
Black it.
Terrible it too.
No.
That's not really fun.
Yeah. Hellshire, yeah. Beautiful people with the pan Hellshire, you know. And guess how we walk up on my peeps? We walk up on one of my subscribers, you see me? And me subscribe to them people. Nigel, tell them your name.
Yeah man, you don't know this is Nigel Yaman TV, big up on yourself. You don't know so we're out here. I do some video after the storm. We do some before the storm. So we're here to come back and check up on some people and see if everybody's alright.
That is
so
it, man.
Big up on yourself and wanna keep on support the thing.
Yeah man, Taylor Acid TV, you see me?
Taylor Acid TV.
Nigel, you see me?
Big up. So
Yeah,
one
man.
Nigel Yaman TV.
Yeah man, big up yourself, my family.
Yes, no, man.
Glad to meet you, my general, is
Yeah
it?
man, yeah man. I see
Yeah,
you think
man.
them, I see your video them man. I see all of them go down on camera and them.
Yeah,
up
family
yourself,
man.
man.
Big up yourself, Taylor Cameron. Yeah man, Dream Island TV, big up on yourself. Yeah man, Nigel. You know what's going on, we back again here?
Yeah man, guys.
Yeah man, that is Nigel, my people. See me? That is Nigel, yeah man, is it? Yeah man, so you don't know. We're gonna make a move and on my peeps. Yeah man, so just stay tuned and watch where I go on. We're going somewhere else. Yeah man, that is it, is it? Yeah.
Nobody can cross it. Only a fish at land and a fish at the
What is the man? Hold on, this is brother.
Sugar jar. Yeah, sugar jar over there. Mash up.
Mash up. Roundabout the pips. Hellshire roundabout, you know?
Back in the days when I used the house, so we used to come and wait for bus and taxi. We never have to drive. We used to say, we have to come and Hellshire. But we never have to drive. So we have to wait for bus and taxi. Hours.
Yeah. Great at Portmore. Gully, you know? They say gully overflow yesterday?
Yeah, man.
Pode.
Crocodile.
Se o agora passa pode.
Crocodile, beleza, mas é minha cabeça aceitou.
It's a baby crook.
Watch the frog get you, the frog then get you, brother.
Under China and the crop.
Yeah. The frog then get you, man.
Gone under this.
Dodgy, man. Man, you me tell you, say that's here. Dad.
Crocodile. Baby crook.
Watch out.
Yeah, my piece of baby crooks, you know. Baby crooks. Baby crook. Yo, I see him grab a frog a while ago, style.
Build up everywhere in Portmore.
Yo, I don't know normal this brother.
Years worth of tree.
Good my peeps.
A light post.
Gone.
Oh, that mash up.
Yo. I don't know normal brother. Normal. Portmore Pines is my people. Portmore Pines. Yeah. Yeah man, this come like swampland. Yeah man. Portmore City, Taylor Acid TV, like, share, subscribe. You know it go.
Yeah.
Taylor Acid. Next place and you all have to road this to the paper. Right. What a traffic. And a lot.
Let's go say a mash up road for the rest of the year, is it?
Yeah. Yeah, my people right now.
Every patrol and turn place, mash up. Trench.
See me, no light, no water, my people. So right now. Yeah. That's how we are.
Yeah, I'm watching them outside Taylor Acid TV and we're going to make a one circle in Portmore City. I know our hometown, right?
Yeah.
And the people them see what I want on the Taylor Acid TV. Remember, like, subscribe and share. Tell a friend to tune in to Taylor Acid TV. No share please.
That is it man, my peeps man. Shit. Yeah man, my peeps, I don't know. Thanks for watching. Yeah man, you know what's going on. Yeah. Pick up on yourself, pick up the viewers and subscribers, you see? Yeah.
Yeah, acid.
After this storm.
Turn us up.
Junk. Junk supermarket.
Yeah. I know that lane now, oh, you know this is way time in my page. Oh, I lane this, you know. Yeah, so we used to practice. You see me? Right down our yard, down there, so down a ganja, them, I don't know big up ganja. You see? That is it, dogs, what is it?
Let's have some name. Wheat Time Lane?
Yeah.
Alright. This lane, this.
Yeah, so we can find Brooklyn, baby.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Right on the corner,
Yeah, right after.
yeah, shot. Post broke off on the top. See that one big?
What? Yeah.
And it's going up to you.
Yeah, man, it's going right out.
Everything wants to change on.
Yeah, man, West Cumberland this.
Yeah.
Yeah, Portmore City. All boat in a Portmore, me there. Yeah, man.
After. You do everything with just a
Good, good.
Hellshire road clear, every road clear.
Yeah, man, what go on over here, sir? Big up on yourself, you know, what I say? Oh, the hurricane?
Not too bad, you know. Good, come and gone, you see it?
Come and gone.
Yeah,
Not getting no major damage like, you know, on the yard. Okay. Yeah.
Westmoreland.
Yeah, Rasta, what go on? Where you stay? You don't get no damage? Oh, alright.
I want some money up by video, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Up in the hills? Alright, boss. Alright. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man. Yeah, my peeps. So right now, we're in an independent city, you know, my peeps. You see me? Yeah, man. So right now, my beautiful people. I go. I'm going to see what go on the ground. You see it? Watch out, my peeps. In an independent city, this, you know. 2 trees drop down right in front of the supermarket. An independent city. Big tree, my people. Yeah. Good. Clear. Clear, my peeps. Hurricanemelissa do this, you know. Yeah, man. Hurricanemelissa.
Yeah, man, Melissa aftermath, you know.
Clear. Bomba! Look here, my people.
Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know. But I don't have it on me. But they're on the road I cover. Do a little public.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, one big tree, light post that down. Big tree that down.
Cool, yeah. Look here. Look here, my people. Independent city right in front of the supermarket. 2 big trees drop down. 2 big trees drop down, my people. Can you believe this? On a normal wind blew yesterday, man. Wicked sitting there go on yesterday, man. Where you say, my boss?
I go on yard.
Where you say?
Big up yourself, you know.
Yeah, man.
You know what's them chair jack them, you know. You know
You did?
what I'm jack.
They say, you know?
Yeah, man.
And you pass and see them how them
Yes,
dance.
Yeah, I see them a dance.
Cool, no, man. Yo, I see them here up in my place there. The guango tree, them up the man, and the mango tree, brother. Dance, you see them up there dance. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, see my family. You don't get no damage?
No.
Alright, big up. God is the greatest. Yeah, my peeps. You know, go ahead, my people. We're in an independent city. See me? See supermarket, yeah, my peeps. See me? See supermarket, yeah, my people. See me? Independent city supermarket. See me? Yeah, man. So. Here. big boy are dead too. See that? Yeah. Big boy there, man. Hurricanemelissa turn over them. Yes, sir. No. I'm gonna go look.